Random rewards are so sweet, honey's all that I can see. Blame nature, why don't you? I make no apology, I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire, I'm not weak or lazy. I'm like electricity on the path of least resistance. Always lies the way for me, I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch. Go Dutch, 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 Daddy, yeah. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch. Go Dutch, 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 Daddy, yeah. Dancing Teslas and SpaceX, this techno king is on a roll. There is no shame in his game. He's having fun, he's in control. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch. Go Dutch, 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 Daddy, yeah. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch. Go Dutch, 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 Daddy, yeah. I see stars when I hear Dutch. Forget the moon, I'm off to Mars. Cash is trash, is confetti, so dollar bills can kiss my. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch. Go Dutch, 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 Daddy, yeah.
All systems continuing to function well.
Random rewards are so sweet, honey's all that I can see. Blame nature, why don't you? I make no apology, I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire, I'm not weak or lazy. I'm like electricity on the path of least resistance. Always lies the way for me, I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch. Go Dutch, 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 Daddy, yeah. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch. Go Dutch, 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 Daddy, yeah. Dancing Teslas and SpaceX, this techno king is on a roll. There is no shame in his game. He's having fun, he's in control. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch. Go Dutch, 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 Daddy, yeah. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch. Go Dutch, 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 Daddy, yeah. I see stars when I hear Dutch. Forget the moon, I'm off to Mars. Cash is trash, is confetti, so dollar bills can kiss my. Go Dutch, 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 Random rewards are so sweet, honey's all that I can see. Blame nature, why don't you? I make no apology, I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire, I'm not weak or lazy. I'm like electricity, I'm the path of least resistance. Always lies the way for me, I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. Dancing Teslas and SpaceX, this techno king is on a roll. There is no shame in his game. He's having fun, he's in control. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. I see stars when I hear Dodge. Forget the moon, I'm off to Mars. Cash is trash, is confetti. So dollar bills can kiss my go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah.
Burning 11,000 pounds of propellant per second. The main engines are working just as expected. The three fuel cells are generating power, and three auxiliary power units are all producing pressure. In short, all systems continuing to function well.
Go from engine start. Water flow. 102.
Random rewards are so sweet, honey's all that I can see. Blame nature, why don't you? I make no apology, I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire, I'm not weak or lazy. I'm like electricity, I'm the path of least resistance. Always lies the way for me, I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. Dancing Teslas and SpaceX, this techno king is on a roll. There is no shame in his game. He's having fun, he's in control. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. I see stars when I hear Dodge. Forget the moon, I'm off to Mars. Cash is trash, is confetti. So dollar bills can kiss my go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah.
Burning 11,000 pounds of propellant per second. The main engines are working just as expected. The three fuel cells are generating power, and three auxiliary power units are all producing pressure. In short, all systems continuing to function well.
Hello everybody, welcome to Bitcoin evening stream 70k waiting room. When are we gonna hit that, guys? When are we gonna hit that? We already hit that. 70k is already the breach, guys. The 70k is already broken. We have been above 70k, new all-time high. Literally, the only thing that's left right now is the, Get rid of the shorters and, you know, just pump it all the way to 80k. So, you know, it should be actually 80k waiting room, not 70k waiting room. So there is that. How's everybody doing in chat? Hope you're doing well. You know, Bitcoin's doing well, so how can you not be doing well? But, you know, we're gonna talk about not doing well because altcoins, the altcoins in fundamentals, they're not actually pumping. The Dogecoin and Pepe and Shiba and all of these, you know, Floki and all of these meme coins, they are pumping. So, you know, all of these, you know, definitely the worst of the worst coins are pumping like crazy. Extreme gains, but, you know, my coins and your coins, you know, the fundamental, you know, coins with the fundamentals, they're down like 5% today. So, this is how far we come right now. It's Bitcoin only and meme coins. So unless you know, invested well in meme coins and Bitcoin, you know, you're not gonna make, guys. You're not gonna make. It does not look bright for rest of the game. AI coins, meme coins, and Bitcoin, Ethereum. That's it. That's it. That's all you get this bull run. Hi guys, then XRP Legends the first. What's up, man? How you doing? So Ahmed, hi man, how you doing? Thailand is the chat. Hey man, how you doing, man? Hi. How's everybody doing? Doing well. Love this song. Yeah, the Dodge Daddy is the song. Let's go, Magic Tower. How you doing, man? Waiting on XRP to do something. Well, you gotta do some waiting, man. When it comes to XRP, you gotta do some waiting. If you haven't learned how to wait, if you're holding XRP, you still haven't learned how to wait, you're gonna have a hard time, you know, going forward. Dodge Daddy, the top is near. Chappies. Unfortunately, my chart says the chap is not out of yet. I mean, it hit it on the dollar, but it's not out yet. Close. We hit 70k BTC USD. USDT didn't hit yet. I think it did. I think it did. This is Binance Tether up here. 69. Oh, it didn't. Let's see up here. Qcoin Tether. Oh, it didn't. Bybit. 73. US dollar Bitfinex didn't. Coinbase. You wish. Coinbase 70,200. Nice, nice. So on Coinbase, yeah, in dollar, yeah. And the last one, Bitstamp 71. So I think we technically did it. You know, technically we did. I think. Say, Jerry, say it. Show me the money! What's up, DB? How you doing, man? One more time, guys. One more time. It was 71.89. Depends on which change you're looking at. But, you know, yeah. UTLA. One team. How you doing? Hi, oh. Dodge Daddy. Exactly, man. Exactly. On the dollar. Hi, boy. How you doing, man? The Rockets. You remember the time when we banned the Rockets in the chat? Those were good times, man. Everything seems so stressful right now. You know, where is my coin pumping? This is pumping. Like, you know, I came to realization that I enjoyed bear market a lot better than I enjoy this right now. I think I come to the realization that the bear market is really where, you know, because there is no hype, there is nothing. It just, you know, watching the charts every single day, then they're kind of moving, they're kind of not moving. You're getting better buying opportunities. But right now, it's just kind of, you know, hassle. You know, for you, everything is pumping, everything is going up. Everybody's like really edgy right now. And, you know, I really like bear market better, guys. I gotta tell you that. Smash the like, girls. Hit the like button. Everybody, guys, everybody. It's only 70 likes, 48 people in here. I mean, don't you want good fortune, guys? Don't you want good fortune? Hit the like button for good fortune. Chappies. Yeah, exactly. We're gonna correct soon. There are no corrections because if you correct them, people can buy in. But, you know, they're not allowed to buy in just yet. I think Altseason will be very fast and crash. I don't know. We're gonna check it out. We're gonna check it out. Ayush says, hey bro, what do you think about Phantom? Do you think it's worth holding this bull run compared to some other option among altcoins? If I knew that, I'd be rich. You know, which coin is better to hold? Phantom, BNB, Solana, like what is better? Hard to say, not the type of guy to, you know, tell you, you know, which coin is better. You know, technically the best coin right now with the most beautiful chart is Bitcoin. and after that it's thrown, but you know, how much can it go up? Like 10x maybe, I don't know. How much can fan, like nobody knows. Right now the best coins are actually meme coins, like they are pumping already, like Pepe did just 10x, man. Pepe did just 10x, but you know, what is a good coin in bull market? In euphoria phase of the bull market, when you're pumping so like... Hello? Yeah. When we are pumping so crazy right now that we are pumping on some meme coins like 20-30%, what kind of fundamentals are people looking at? Like, there are no fundamentals. Nobody cares about fundamentals. They see coin with, you know, flashy picture and they buy it and it goes up. Watch Alex Becker, he tells nicely. Alex Becker, I stopped watching that guy a long time ago. It was really annoying. He's the negativity itself. So I told everybody to stop watching the guy because, you know, they're gonna get depressed. That guy, I mean, sure, he makes money, fine. But, you know, his personality is so negative, so toxic that, you know, you should not be watching Alex Becker, guys. That guy, I haven't watched him a long time. Maybe he changed. Maybe he got a girlfriend or something like that. I don't know. But he was really bad, you know, for his psyche. So, you know, unsubscribe from Alex Becker, guys. I don't care what he says, just unsubscribe. Regardless whether he's bullish or bearish or something like that, just unsubscribe. That guy is gonna affect you, you know, he's gonna affect your life negatively. Dominic, hi, how you doing, man? Coinbase, Bitcoin tops 71.99 on USD, yeah. Somebody said it. When will ADA pop? I just made a Cardano video so you can check it out, but I don't know. Soon. Maybe next week. Cheppy is about to explode. I think Cheppy is a little bit more room to explode up here. I mean, I'm still waiting, you know, for this move over here. So, you know, and I don't mind. I can wait. It's okay. This bull market is difficult. Only certain coins pumped. No, this bull market is like last time as well. Certain coins pump and they have this, you know, section of coins that are pumping at the time. And that's fine. You know, you got AI coins pumping, you got meme coins pumping, and everything else is right now just kind of waiting, you know. How long until we break 70k and stay up in your opinion? Maybe a day or two. Ordinals, BRC20 coins. I don't know how they are playing out. I actually haven't watched Ordinals, but I do know that meme coins are playing very well on Solana. Solana meme coins are right now very, you know, big, and the reason for that is cheap gas, right? Solana is pumping, so Solana meme coins, like you don't see a lot of, you know, people talking about, you know, meme coins on BNB chain, Binance chain, but they're talking on, you know, meme coins on Solana because it's pumping. Bitcoin above 100k soon. There we go. We got a Milan and Petrov says 100k coming, man. 100k very soon, guys. Alts will pump after Bitcoin will hold week 72. Most altcoins is good to hodl, maybe. Thanks for it, man. Used to tune into your channel a lot back in 2021. One more question. A lot of people are talking about shortening cycle this time around. What do you think? I think so as well. Like, there is no other way to look at it right now. This looks like a parabolic move towards the upside. So, you know, what is actually happening up here? Bitcoin is extremely bullish, guys. Extremely bullish. And this looks like a, you know, this looks like Atom lagging. Yeah, there's a lot of coins that are lagging, like you know what. But Bitcoin right now is looking very, you know, bullish. Now, we are right now just barely getting above the, you know, all-time high up here. And we're gonna check out when the previous time, when did actually coins, you know, altcoins actually start pumping. This Bitcoin bull run is super long, at least 5 years, I think. I don't know about that, but you know, we are not even past the halvening. Halvening is over here at, you know, March, April 15, 16, you know, up here. This is daily time frame, so, you know, 16, 17, give or take, 15, 17, 18, 19, you know, give or take. That's the Bitcoin halvening. And we are not even past the Bitcoin halvening, and we are already at the all-time high. We are already at all-time high. Halvening events up here. And you'll see up here that we are nowhere close to the, you know, halvening up here. Nowhere close to halvening up here. I mean, that's, you know, this is halvening, but nowhere close to the you know, top up here previously. I mean, we are all the way down there during the halvening, even before that, long way down there. So let's see how this actually played out over here. You can also see the same thing happen over here, like halvening is all the way up there, and you know, we managed to break this over here. So nothing is playing like it used to play, guys. Nothing is playing like it used to play. Even this very first cycle up here, you know, we broke up here, and then you know, after halving, only then we broke the, you know, high up here. So nothing is playing the way it actually played before. So, you know, throw all the history out of the window right now, because this time is different. You know, whether it's actually good different or bad different, I don't know, but it is definitely different. Like, you cannot lie, it is definitely different. And not only that, very, very soon we're gonna break this towards the upside, guys. This is gonna be broken towards the upside very, very soon. So there is that. So how far more can we go? I don't know, guys, I don't know. But I thought we might actually check one thing over here. So what we're gonna do over here is go first the Bitcoin dominance. And the dominance up here is playing kind of down over here. We're gonna check that out. I think dominance is right now gonna drop towards downside, you know. But you know, what do I know? What do I know, right? I think it's gonna drop towards downside. But that's not the, you know, that's not the thing. The thing that I wanna look at is the altcoin season, right? So this part over here. When did this part over here start? The 28th of December 2022. This part over here is the major altcoin season, right? So let's over here add Bitcoin USDT chart over the overlay, and what you're gonna see over here, the mega bull run. So you can see up here the dominance actually climbed from over here, from the all the way down here. So when Bitcoin was down here at you know, just after halving, over here it was halving or something like that, just before that Bitcoin exploded towards the upside above all time, you know, high up here at 20k, went through the roof, exploded towards the upside, and it's only when we got to some kind of top up here and started doing this pullback that we had altcoin season, right? So this altcoin season was waiting way above the 20k levels, right? So we broke the 20k levels, we did the move, and only then did we get the altcoin season, right? Because this over here is the altcoin season, guys. This over here is the altcoin season. So what are we expecting right now? Now, first of all, nothing is playing out the same way it used to be before. So there is that. Let me remove some moving averages up here. Can we expect, you know, and this is the, you know, I think that you know, the dominance should go down over here. Let me just move it so we can see it a little bit better down here. Over here, and move this one up there, and this one a little bit, you know, over here, maybe a little bit squeezed a little bit more so we can draw up there. There we go. So you can see this, you know, this previous altcoin season started right over here on this top over here, and then I move back. Now, here's the thing, right? And that came at the same level as the previous, I think you see it, but as previous, you know, 20k. As soon as we broke the 20k, we first did this big move towards upside, you know, gigantic big move towards upside. So there was this move over here that we did, you know, before we actually broke. So Bitcoin exploded from, you know, something like, you know, I don't know what this was, 9, 10k to 20k over here. And the dominance exploded towards upside all the way through. So it exploded from 10k to all the way to almost 40k towards upside up here. What was that? Yeah, 10k to 40k towards upside, like in one single move towards upside. And that was this big pump over here. Now, Bitcoin over here has just been slowly climbing up here. So the question up here, once we actually break this towards upside over here, is the dominance gonna break towards upside, right? Because maybe a lot of people are waiting for this move, you know, once we break the dominance, but maybe, you know, we're gonna start zigzagging up here towards upside while the dominance actually just start crashing. Regardless of how this plays out, whether it plays out like last time or like this time over here right now, regardless of how this actually plays out, if the dominance start, you know, if, you know, regardless of how Bitcoin plays out, whether it starts doing, you know, zigzag, whether it starts going towards the upside, regardless of how, you know, Bitcoin plays out up here at the top, regardless of that, if dominance starts dropping, guys, it is altcoin season. Regardless of where we are in the cycle, what's gonna happen next, and so forth, so forth. So you got this, you know, very nice trend over here that we broke, and then we create this secondary trend up here, right? Up here, something like this, give or take. Maybe it's still holding the trend, right? And there is this channel up here towards upside, give or take, something like this, right? So if this starts breaking towards downside and breaks the support level over here and continues going towards downside, it is altcoin season, guys. Whether we are, you know, before the halving or after the halving, or whether the Bitcoin is at, you know, 70k or 60k, if dominance start dropping towards downside, it is the altcoin season. So that's what we are actually looking for. We are looking for Bitcoin to start losing dominance to altcoins, and I think I already see that. I don't know if you can see this over here right now, but a lot of altcoins are down like 3 to 5% right now. A lot of altcoins now. And still Bitcoin isn't pumping, but you know, Bitcoin sitting on, you know, 60k up here. It's still losing a little bit dominance. Maybe that's because of these meme coins. I don't know. Thanks for the stream, man. I remember watching a channel back when BitTorrent was pumping in 21. What do you think about the Dent chart? Been looking at Dent today in our members video. I gotta shield my members page, guys. Sorry, not this guy. This guy as well. Check out this guy as well. But it's not that guy. Members only videos in today's video. This is 3 days ago, but can we reload this over here? Will it pop up over here? 9 hours ago. 2 bad coins and a lot of good coins. So in this video over here, I think we mentioned Dent over here. Over here or over here, I don't remember. But Dent is actually looking good. And it has been pumping, so of course it's good, so everybody wants to know that. But you know, it's not really interesting for us because it's already started pumping. Now, where is Dent over here on my chart? Dent. Should be not here, not there, not here. Text, no Dent there. Shame no. Not here, not there, not where. There is Dent over here. So Dent is very nice. Let me just turn off this over here. Dent is very nice, you know, move towards upside. It already broke towards upside, so we talked about it earlier. We talked about you know, Dent down here when it's starting to break towards upside. But it does look actually very, very nice. And right now it's doing this, you know, very nice slopey move towards upside. So you know, it's good and dandy. It's good and dandy. How will this impact Altseason with parabolic move? That's a big question, right? Now, the parabolic moves go something like this over here, guys. Let me show you something like this. And that's why, you know, I'm a little bit, you know, edgy right now because I'm a little bit unsure how this is going to play out. Now, of course, we can continue pumping towards upside in parabolic moves, but the problem with parabolic moves, and there is a big problem with parabolic moves, parabolic moves end very, very violently, right? So they end very, you know, brutal. So it goes up faster, and they end like this, okay? It doesn't have to end like this. It could, you know, be, you know, on small time frames, you'll probably see some kind of topping out pattern and then it does this. But mostly, you know, it does this pattern over here. So that's the bad part about parabolic moves, guys. So when stuff going up, like too much euphoria, every single candle is bigger than the previous, right? And at the end over here, it just, you know, it just kind of drops. It just kind of drops. So that's kind of scary. I'm not gonna lie, that is very scary. Parabolic moves over here. We had a parabolic move towards upside, up here, right back down again, and you know, that's usually how these things end. So that is the worst part about the chart right now. I wish like this. I hope this isn't parabolic move. I hope we're gonna get something, you know, a little bit differently or whatever. I don't know what I'm hoping for, but you know, if this like just does this over here, you know, and just, you know, continues towards upside, it is gonna be parabolic move, and these parabolic moves will end very, very violently and very, very badly. At least from what I know from parabolic moves. It doesn't have to be that, but you know, parabolic moves do that. Mladen is asking me to check the group, so let's do that and see what did he post. By the way, guys, we have public Telegram group, so you are welcome to join right now if you want during the stream. And we also got a private group as well. But I don't see anything that he posted over here. Why should I check the group, man? Check the group. Dominant stopped out. I see nothing, man. All chat, nothing. Telegram. Where did you post that, man? No, I see nothing, man. Think, is it super Adam and Eva? Nah. Too soon for altcoins run. I don't know if it's too soon. It's gonna start at one point. We are going in super cycle. I don't know what kind of cycle this is, but it looks good. Whole world will buy Bitcoin soon. This one. Oh, okay. I found it. Copy. So yeah, it is nice, but maybe it stopped out. Maybe it stopped out. Like, you saw my lines, right? You saw the channel is, you know, slowly right now breaking toward the upside over here. I don't believe it's just gonna break towards the upside. It is nice line, you know, but I wouldn't have used these stops over here because these stops over here. There is this line up here, and if you lift up here, it's gonna come to some kind of 60% up there. A little bit unsure about that. Because this line and this line is actually doesn't matter. It is nice line. So Mlani, guys, okay. Mlani says we topped out. We topped out, guys. And he also said that we topped out on the DXY. and it's gonna go down, and it is going down. So, you know, there's that. So, you know, trust money, guys. Your life will be a lot easier. Soon Bitcoin will be famous like Taylor Swift or Michael Jackson. Very, very soon. It's already famous. Everybody knows what Bitcoin is. Epic bull run incoming. Dwelling to expertise, TA Fans Club. Love the channel. Thanks for joining, man. 2 months in a row. Nice, very nice. How you doing? Appreciate the support, man. And since you are a very new member on our channel, you get to pick the coin. Any coin. It's like welcoming gift, you know, to joining the TA Fans Club. I had a line before and we had 2 touches on the dollar now. Very nice, very nice. Let me see if I can draw that line over here. Because, so we got this line over here. Oh yeah, I don't know if it's 2 touches, but over here it's 2 touches. But I'm thinking something a little bit differently. I'm thinking something like this over here. I don't know, I haven't drawn this line over here. But if there is line over here, see that line? And you pull that line all the way towards the stop up here. Nah. Because this break, because we already broke that a little bit over here sideways. So that isn't working out. Maybe something like this over here. Nah, I don't know. But it already looks over here at the top. Like if you look at the chart just over here in this last part. I mean, the dominance, you know, never goes up to 90 levels or anything like that on the RSI. But you can see that the momentum up here is losing steam right now, which oftentimes the top, right? So, you know, this change between the momentum gain and momentum loss, oftentimes the top up here. So that's also one of the signs. Now, this is monthly, you know, 2 months time frame, so it's gonna, you know, take a little bit while before it actually changes. But the momentum over here has been going down ever since up here, right? So the momentum has been going down. Unfortunately, it's going above the midline over here. I don't know. If to me it looks like it's losing the steam. So you know. So over here, if you look at the chart, you know, this going towards upside. Let's look at a little bit small time frames up here. Maybe 3 day or something like that, so we can draw nice lines. And let's try to start from the bottom over here, right? So technically this big ass trend up here is right now consolidating, right? But after that, you know, it started going up here and that broke. So it was, you know, zigzagging up here towards the top. Then broke down, try to go. But still in this, you know, maybe this is bigger channel over here. I don't know. Altcoin season it's about to start. I don't know if it's about to start just right now. I think we need to go through, you know, through the move first, but it is getting very, very close, I think. 1 minute chart, please. No, that's for trading dailies. Dump moon coming this week. Don't be worried about dump moon. We are in the bull market. Dump moons just push you sideways. That's consolidation. Amazing. Atom would be crazy. Atom, you want me to look at Atom? I'll look at Atom for you, man. Let's check out what Atom is doing over here. Atom, so let's clean up chart up here. So there is this, you know, this channel that we look on all coins right now, and it goes something like this up here. And right now you can see that we are hitting that resistance level on the dollar. But a lot of coins got these kind of charts. They went from the bottom over here right now towards top, and right now they're consolidating. So they're not quite out of the channel just yet. This includes Cardano, this includes a lot of other coins, but they are getting very, very close. That's why we're saying that, you know, altcoin season is, you know, very, very close right now. Because as soon as these coins right now start consolidating, start getting out over here towards upside, the Bitcoin dominance will drop towards the downside and everything will explode towards upside. Some coins are already going like already going here and there, but most coins have this kind of pattern over here right now. There is a channel from the bottom over here towards this move up here, create this pivot point. This creates right now resistance level, and right now everything is consolidating up here at the top before it actually goes towards upside. Now, if you look over here, you know, how where it's on the monthly time frame, what you're gonna see over here, it's right now trying to, you know, close above the 50 moving average. There's a couple of levels up here that needs to close above on the monthly time frame. It's gonna be good, but this is the major zone level up here, and right now it is tapping just that zone. you know, this blue box up here. It's just tapping that zone right now. I tried over here to break, but you know, we gotta wait a little bit and see. Now the bullish part on the monthly time frame is this red candle that went below 10 moving average, and then bullish engulfing candle right above the moving averages. And you can see this was a bullish engulfing candle, and it was very bullish because it just, you know, pulled back a little bit, and right now we breaking the 50 moving average. So the move already started towards the upside. You know, it's already stupidly bullish towards the upside. The only question is when the alts are gonna pump, guys. The only question is when. It's not if they're gonna pump, but when. When are they gonna pump? That is what we're trying to answer. That is what we are trying to figure out. When are they gonna pump? Because, you know, we already know that, you know, meme coins are pumping like crazy. You know, Pepe is up 30% right now. Look at this monthly candle over here, guys. Look at his daily candle up here. Dogecoin is bob. Shiba is pumping, you know, 13% towards upside. Bonk is 22% up today. Elon is up, you know, another 10% up here. This looks like a bull flag up here. This looks like it's just gonna go and do double of whatever it did. Baby Doge is pumping. Floki is up, pumping like 70% today. You know, so we already see coins that are pumping, right? And the other batch of coins that are pumping is AI coins. AI coins are pumping like crazy, right? Eggs up here, going up here towards the resistance level, right? You got Dynex. I don't know what Dynex is, but Dynex is pumping right now. You know what? Fetch is going outside up here towards upside. Like everything looks good. Lai is pumping like crazy. So AI coins pumping. Meme coins are pumping. Bitcoin is pumping. Ethereum is pumping. There are some, you know, coins here and there like Solana, BNB are pumping. But when are the majority of the altcoins gonna pump big time? And, you know, that's the big question. When is your coins and my coins gonna pump? That's what we try to figure out. I think it broke out on the daily, weekly. I don't know about that. I don't know about, like, to me it doesn't look like that. Like, to me it looks like it's just consolidating over here. Let's see up here. Weekly time frame over here. I mean, it is above over here, above the resist, so it is creating already the higher higher on the chart and higher low on the chart. So it's already looking good, right? On the daily time frame up here, it did go up into the blue box over here towards top. Right now it's pulling back, but it is just consolidating. But, you know, if you want to know, like, the monthly time frame, you know, it can take a while, and you can get one of these, you know, big monthly time frame candles. But, you know, on the weekly time frame over here, the 200 moving average is right side inside the blue box over here somewhere. And the channel up here, you can see up here right now, it's hitting that channel. So it's the way I see it right now, it's not out just yet. It needs to break the blue box up here. That goes between something between you know, 13 bucks and 14.3 bucks or something like that to get out of the blue box, plus these levels over here, but give or take. 78 hour watching. Hit the like, guys. Hit the like button. You know, good fortune, I'm telling you. Don't hit the like button for my, you know, for me. Hit the like button for you, for good fortune. You know, it is hard to predict, but when do you think will be the right time to start exiting from market? End of year, early next year? I don't know. When everything pumps, when everything is so crazy, like right now everything is crazy, but, you know, pre-halvening didn't break all-time high on, didn't break the top just yet. Only meme coins are pumping, AI coins are pumping, but, you know, I don't know. I don't think it's time just yet. You know, that could be me. I might be crazy. And if you already have like 100x, what are you waiting for, right? It all depends on how your goals. People ask me, man, hey man, what am I gonna, you know, which coin am I gonna buy? Like, how do I know which coin you're gonna buy? Number one, I don't know how much money you have. Number two, I don't know how many X's you want, because if you want something like, you know, 2x, you know, maybe Ethereum, I don't know, you know, maybe BNB or Solana or something like that big, right? If you want 10x, you gotta go down the market cap. You know, you want 100x, you gotta go really risky stuff, you know. It all kind of depends, right? So if you already got like 100, and, you know, when should I take profit? I don't know. Are you happy with your, do you have profits at all right now? If you already have 1000x, you know, can you sell everything and go buy a yacht and, you know, live happily ever forever for the rest of your life? If you could do that, then you're just being greedy if you want, you know, a little bit more room towards upside, right? So, you know, these are the kind of questions that you have to ask yourself, like, you know, did I make it? And even if you didn't make it, like, you know, am I happy with profits? Ben Cohen is such a bear, he's talking too much to Garrett Soloway. I don't want to talk about those guys. Ben Soloway is okay, but Garrett is... Greetings still, I'm a new member. My Bitcoin pick is Ergo. What you say? Big brother? Sure, why not, man? I'll check it out. Ergo. I think I heard about Ergo. Qcoin. It's on Qcoin. By the way, guys, there's a link to, you know, Qcoin. I really like Qcoin. And this looks actually, it's already out. Right now it's pulling back over here. So just use these kind of channels. See here? It's really nice having the pullback on the stuff, having the pullback on the support level over here. So it is getting out of the accumulation zone down here. So there is accumulation zone over here. On the bottom over here, there is accumulation zone over here, give or take over here, this bottom over here. That's the accumulation zone. It is getting out of the accumulation zone right now. It is getting out of the accumulation zone right now, and it is very, very close to, you know, going again towards the upside. And I don't think there is anything wrong with the chart either. I don't even have to look at it because, you know, I already see that, you know, it's been going down right now, going up. So it needs to cross the midline up here on the MACD on the 2-week time frame. On the monthly time frame, there is probably not enough data. It's just going towards the upside up here. Bullish engulfing candle on the monthly up here, closed above the resistance level. It looks good. There is no other way to say it. It looks good, right? We won't go into the small time frames and stuff like that, the daily and 4-hour, you know, what's gonna happen next. I don't know what's gonna happen next, but you know, this looks good for a move, continuous move towards the upside. So there is that. Thanks, no problem, man. Nobody wants to buy 69k Bitcoin. Oh, you just wait. They don't want to buy 69k Kilo because they're waiting for below 60k. You had 5 minutes below 60k just, you know, a couple of days ago. 5 minutes below 60k to buy Bitcoin below 60k. That's it. 5 minutes. That's all you got, right? Right now, nobody wants to buy, you know, I don't want to buy 69k Bitcoin, but you wait. It's going to go above 70. I don't want to buy it above 70. It's going to above 70. I don't want to buy it above 75. It's going to 80. It's gonna come down a little bit. They still not gonna buy. It's gonna go to 90k, and then they're gonna buy, you know, FOMO at 90, you know, 90, 100k up there because it's gonna go to 1 million for whatever reason, and that's pretty much tough. My AI coin ain't pumping. What coin is your coin, man? Flocky is up 70% today. FET is promising as a project, and I'm on it, but don't take my example, just my opinion. I don't know. I did a video on FET right now on the chart. It actually looks quite nice. I mean, I have no problem with the FET chart. So that's actually very, very good. What's your day job? I'm a waiter. That's my day job. You know, I make people happy. Mosaic, small cap. Let's check it out. Where is Mosaic? Mosaic total value log. There is no Mosaic up here, man. There is no Mosaic up here. Is it on? Let me check Mosaic on Mosaic token. I don't know. Wow, it looks bad, man. I don't know if that's it, but you know. If it's called Mosaic token, then it's bad. You already looked at a DEX tool weeks ago. Mosaic. RMRK. Microcap. RMRK. I don't know. People are just posting some random coins right now. Just looking here on the side. Before I, you know, open the charts. I don't know, not in the mood right now to, you know, find any kind of small cap stuff like that. The big question is what's gonna happen with Bitcoin. Did we even talk about Bitcoin, guys? We talked about everything besides Bitcoin, I think. I think we talked about everything besides Bitcoin. And right now Bitcoin is sitting at 68,355 or something like that. So let's go and check out Bitcoin, guys. Let's go and talk about Bitcoin. So this happened. This is the move that just happened, guys. You can see the blue box. The blue box is still legit because 70k is, you know, a major level of psychological resistance over here. And we tapped that almost on the dollar, give or take, and then pulled back. But there is no problem. And this from this pullback up here, the price actually dropped another 5.5% towards the downside. Looked like it's going to break towards the downside. Nope, did not. And right now going towards upside. So this is right now curving over here towards the upside. It's going to get out up here. Maybe today, maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow. It is gonna go fast, and once this is broken, it's gonna go, guys. It's gonna go. Say bye-bye to 60k Bitcoin. You ain't gonna get 60k Bitcoin. Maybe during the next bear market, you may maybe get the chance to buy the 60k Bitcoin. But once they start going towards upside, it's bye-bye Bitcoin, bye-bye 60k Bitcoin. There is no more buying 60k Bitcoin. And I think, you know, a lot of people got left behind this run. And I mean, a lot of people got left behind on Bitcoin. I mean, a lot of coins they are still not behind. But on Bitcoin, they got left behind, especially because of everything that happened down here before that. They didn't buy the pump, they did not buy the pump, they did not buy the pump, and they said like, if this goes up here, I'm gonna buy. Sorry, and then they thought it's gonna go down. They did not buy the pump, and they were like, you know what, it's gonna pull back, I'm not gonna buy it on pullback. Any kind of pullback. There were no pullback, we just pumped even more up here. They were like, oh no man, I cannot buy now, it's gonna pull back. Then it started pulling back up here. You had a chance to get it at 38k. Bam, right back up there again. No pullbacks again. It just went through the roof. Nobody bought Bitcoin, guys. Michael Saylor maybe bought, maybe some other guys bought, you know. Down here, you know, a whole bunch of guys bought. But once it started moving, like, nobody bought, guys. Nobody bought. That's why we are going parabolically towards upside. Because people have no other choice right now than to FOMO in. That's the only choice they have. FOMO in or get left behind. Now, everybody's still asking, and we bought. Yes, we bought. Exactly. The TI Fans Club bought, guys. We bought down there at 20 and 15k. Why? Because, you know, that's what we do. We sit on our Telegram channel and talk about, you know, Bitcoin. So we bought down here. But, you know, a lot of other people didn't buy though. And a lot of other people are sitting on the sideways. And this is very, very important for the parabolic moves, because right now the only way to get into Bitcoin is the FOMO in, right? And look at this last part up here. I mean, it looks bull. You gotta say, guys, it's gonna pop. It's gonna pop. Like, look at the curve. Look at that curve, man. Look at the curving over here. It doesn't go like this over here. It's kind of curving up here, you know, towards the upside. Maybe if you do like this, it's kind of curving up here. You see? Can you see the curve? The curve, the bull curve. It looks good, guys. It looks very good. It looks very good. So we are very close. This is daily time frame. I think we're gonna try to close above the resistance up here at 68.3 or something like that, and then continue towards upside. This also gonna probably create some kind of divergence up here. Of course, there is divergence up here, and we're gonna say, oh, there is bearish divergence. Don't trust anybody who tells you there is bearish divergence, because they do not understand divergences. Yes, there is bearish divergence, but the price just consolidates in options. It just continues going towards upside up here, and at one point there is no divergence up here anymore. That's how these things play out, especially in the bull market. Like, divergence or not divergence, they don't care, because there are too many people buying right now, and you know, it gets even more people every single time. Pink Panther, how you doing, man? So you guys think we're gonna, you know, see Bitcoin above 70k during the stream? I don't know. It does look good though. It does look good though. And during today's stream up here, we had a live stream around 10 o'clock over here. And we said, since it's a bull market, there is more probability towards upside than towards downside. It can drop down, but if it does drop down, you know, the play is this up here, right back up there again. You know, maybe you get a chance to buy it, you know, something over here above 61, 62, 63. So maybe that was the plan. But we said that, you know, there is more probability towards upside, because it is the bull market, guys, and people are just crazy. Seeing this, you know, meme coins pumping, a lot of people are getting in right now. So when alt season, I think I have to make a video about, you know, when alt season, sir. When is, you know, my coin gonna pump? Because right now CFX is actually down. One of these bullish coins that I thought, you know, it needs to go. Right now it's pulling back 8%, but it's not pulling back. Like, it's like CFX is down 8% right now, right? But it's not down like 8% down here, right? It's not down, you know, it's not breaking anything. Not only that, it's just pulling back to the moving averages. So over here, you know, it got a little bit extended. Yes, it's down 8%. But it's, you know, it's still going inside this curve towards upside, right? Yes, it goes up and pull back, you know, and the pullbacks seem, you know, legit and big, like, oh my god, it's down 8%, but it's still climbing every day, like, it's still going, right? So, you know, slowly it goes. Guys, a guru and his voice is soothing to listen to with good luck. Thank you so much for having fun again. Been a while. Pink Panther is back in the chat. How you doing, man? It's nice. I don't know if my voice is soothing. I got this, you know, East European English kind of going on. And I talk too fast. If you want a soothing voice, you go to, you know, watch CoinSkid. Or that guy, what's he called, that guy on YouTube, that guy, you know that guy. That guy on YouTube. He has really nice voice. Something, oh my god, I was just watching him yesterday. I didn't actually watch him, I turned in. He's called Trader's Reality. Like listen to this guy. Okay, I'm gonna play a little clip. We're gonna put sound on and just listen to the guy. Like it's like music theories. He should be like you know, do radio or something like that. But it is really nice to listen to. So let's click any kind of movie.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? We've had some very interesting news come out. Unemployment market came in line with estimates. They're happy they got it right. 217,000. Looking at the stock market, things are okay. Bitcoin's still playing with that 67 zone. Today's live stream, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be helping you understand why, unfortunately, Bitcoin will only move when Wall Street moves. Yeah.
Like, isn't this beautiful? Like, his voice is so nice. He's so eloquently spoken. He speaks very slowly, calm. You know, takes breaks. Like he's nice to listen to. Me, I'm all over the place. Yeah, I like Tino speak, but I'm not really a fan of Tino's analysis on this, on that. That's not my thing. But I like I just put him in the background just so I can have something nice to listen to. That's a good mic. Yeah, but it's not just mic. But like he has he does stuff. What's your thought on Tel? I don't know. Tino, yeah, it's definitely Tino. Yeah, it's Tino. I didn't know his name, but I know Traders Reality, his channel. So do check him out. Like 9-inch wick. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. Like he's nice to listen to. He used to call 8K Bitcoin. I don't know what he does. Like I'm not watching guys that are nice to listen to. Like I watch guys who almost don't have microphone. But I like something about them. If I want to shield somebody, wouldn't shield Traders Reality. I would shield this guy over here. I think you guys should watch Get Hard. For some reason, I mean, I don't agree with everything that he says, but he has some, little bit different analysis of the markets than other people do, and I really enjoy his analysis. But I don't like watching, hearing him speak. I wish that Tino spoke instead of this guy. I think I need to use AI on this guy's, voice. There's that. Just saying. Hey there, late at home, we'll watch the stream in rewind. What a week, multiple all times combined with a real nice buying dips. Portfolio up big time, calm like a bomb. Thanks Stella for good guidance. Dr. Carla, been here, blue ball, OG. Been here for a while. Thanks for stopping by. We're not talking about anything special. We're just looking at a little bit of stuff. Bro, we're not here for the eloquent. We're here for the realness. That's good. What's your thoughts on Nearcoin? It's pumping. So there's that. I'm a little bit unsure what we're gonna look at. Ethereum up here right now is, breaking this next level up here. It's just going in straight line towards upside. Like this is like one line towards upside. There is no stopping this right now. Look at this move towards upside over here. There is no stopping these moves, guys. These candles are just getting bigger and bigger all the way towards the stop. Like parabolic move, like what, right? And when it comes to Ethereum Bitcoin chart, we talked a little bit about dominance and stuff like that, right? But even this up here looks like it wants to break. I'm still waiting for break towards upside. Like it's not yet there, and I don't know when it's gonna happen. And these, stuff can, consolidate for a while. This over here is also maybe a channel up here, something like this over here. I'm drawing it like falling wedge, but in reality everything is a channel, right? Falling wedges are just part of the channel. But over here we had some kind of double bottom up here, tap that. It should break towards upside. I don't know when. That's all I'm saying. I don't know when it's gonna break towards upside. Unfortunately, I'm not psychic. But it looks good. Like eventually, if that's a time frame, eventually it will break towards upside. It will break towards upside before it actually breaks towards downside. So there's that. QRDO thoughts finally moving. QRDO. I don't know what this is. Gemini. It's on QCon, so we can check it out. Anything that's on QCon, I'll check it out. Oh my god, this thing is down like 99.9% or something like that, right? 99.7%. You can see by the chart. I mean, logarithmic chart doesn't help over here. Maybe it does help a little bit. Logarithmic chart does help a little bit up here. It creates some kind of double bottom. This was 99.7% down. But it finally pumped up here. It finally pumped up here in February, up here this October, pump up here, went all the way down. Right now it's pumping in. I don't know what this, and it is right now up 200%. It is above the resistance level up here. Let's go to, over here, something like this over here. My god, this is so hard thing to do. It is above that 50 moving average on the weekly time frame over here, so that is kind of nice. But you know, what's this thing gonna do? Like over here, like this channel, it's you know, getting out of the accumulation zone. If this is accumulation zone, I don't know. Anything that's down 99.9%, something like that, is gonna pump big time. You know, but you know, I don't know anything about content. It looks good. It looks good so far. Let's check the group again because Mladen did post something new. Ethereum chart. I don't want to post bearish stuff, man. I don't want to post bearish stuff. But is this logarithmic chart? I'm gonna show it. So Mladen posted this chart over here. If you don't know Mladen, Mladen is our, you know, king of channels, guys. King of channel guy. VSB is pumping. No way. The meme coin VSB, don't tell me that thing is pumping. I wanted to buy that thing, you know, a couple of weeks ago. Don't tell me it's pumping, man. Well, technically it is pumping, but it's not, you know, pumping like, you know, Pepe is pumping. I mean, it is pumping a little bit up here. So there is that. So he thinks we are getting to the resistance level up here because of the lines up here. Was channel right now hitting that level up here, which is actually very, very important. Now, if you go all the way up here, you know, the target up here is something like 7 or 8K up here on the top channel up here. But will it stop over here or not? That's the big question, right? So let's go to the Ethereum chart over here. And no, you have a real chart, but this split lineup, how did you draw that? Let's find another chart up here. ETH BTC, no, ETH USDT. This Binance. Let's take the, you know, Qcoin chart over here, and let's go bigger time frames up here because reasons. And let's remove the moving averages because reasons, and let's do the bottom over here. But it's this one and this one. Then you have this one over here. But then we are not quite there yet. I don't know which wicks you use though. Use this one, then we are actually hitting it, right? We are actually inside of it, right? I don't know, I think this looks legit. Like we got a room to go. 4.3. Why log? No, I was just looking whether your chart was log or not. No, it's regular chart. It's regular chart. I was just looking whether the, you know, when I looked at the chart that you posted, it kind of looked like, you know, this logarithmic chart. It kind of looked like two channels parallel, and then you press the logarithmic chart, and then they split for some reason. But it's not logarithmic chart. It's a regular chart. It's a regular chart. Let's go a little bit, you know, 3-day time frame up here. I mean, this line down here kind of, let's just say we are close. Just say we are close. Over here. I think, I mean, and this is a, you know, a very high time frame. So let's go even, you know, 3 months. Then we just are left with weeks, whatever these weeks are. Right, 3 months time frame, and we are hitting that right now. Maybe you're right, man. Maybe your lines are good. Also this week over here, almost hitting that on the dollar. I mean, it's there. It's kind of there. What do you think about XRP? VSB. Benko did a long stream about how alts are gonna bleed out in Satoshi value till the end of this year or something. When did he post that? Because he was talking about altcoin reckoning a long time ago in October when everything started pumping. So I don't know. So this might be actually good for us. Hi guys, what did I miss? Not much, man. How you doing? Try line instead of candles. Nah. On Binance, all-time high 2017. Yeah, but I already got my stuff on Binance chart over here. Okay, let's remove everything over here. This is Binance chart. All-time high 2017. I don't know how you pull the I don't know how you pull the line. This one, this one, this one. How does this one week Binance? 1 week Binance. Oh. sorry. I see what I did wrong. I see what I did wrong. I'm sorry. I was looking at a little bit of the chart and I was like, damn, this looks like a Bitcoin chart. Okay. Oh, I get it now. I get it now. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Okay. Oh, I see it now. I see it. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah. So yeah, okay, I get it. It is very nice. It is very, especially since it hits this previous top up here, and over here it touches the tops up here. Then you get a couple of touches on the bottom side. Right now we are tapping that on the dollar, which is actually very nice. So you think this is the top for Ethereum right now, or are we gonna break in? You tell me. It's almost on the dollar, almost on the dollar, 4K up here. Almost on the dollar. So, what are your thoughts of what's going to happen next with Ethereum? Are we going to have a pullback? How is this going to play out? Because the bottom channel up here is already broke out. You think we're going to have any kind of pullback on Ethereum? Now, the way I see the pullback up here, I don't think the pullback is going to go below this line, if that does happen. Now, it could happen, really fast or to this line over here, wherever it's going to go. But I don't think there are going to be pullbacks. I think we're going to go in over here, maybe pull back to the line up here, and then continue towards upside. But I don't know whether it's going to get rejected. Now, it's 4K is a psychological resistance, so there is that, right? So you got a 4K psychological resistance, and it could pull back, but everything's so bullish. So there is that. Bitcoins look okay, but it's not actually going. Let me just go a little bit back on the chart up here and get my lines back, because I like my lines. Because if you see my lines up here, we are already above my line. So there's that. I agree. So you think also we're gonna pump above the 4K and pull back inside the channel? It does look too bullish. We're gonna check that out. And the most important thing up here, but my line's a little bit different, because the channel that I drew over here when it comes to this up here is just doubling this channel on the downside. So we can even remove this, and we're gonna do this over here like this. So something like this up here, right? So you see right now that we are at that level right now at 4K or something like that, right? And over here towards the top up here, it's all the way up something like 6K. It's not using both of these wicks, it's just using the top up here. But I don't know how correct this is or not. But maybe this channel should go a little bit lower down here, because then it get hit these kind of levels up here. I don't know. It's too big of a time frame though. But I do like the channels that are playing out right now. It's worked for me so far, so there is that. CD is a bullish AI play. I don't know about it. How long did we stream right now? 1 hour and 3 minutes, guys. 1 hour and 3 minutes. That was a bin stream. Before we go, guys, you gotta join our TA fans club, Technical Analysis fans club. We got a lot of nice people in there. Mladen is in there. A lot of other nice guys in there. We've been there through the bear market, bull market again. Bear market is coming, so we're gonna be there. Join us. We also got a public TA fans club group. It's public, it's open for everybody. I want everybody to join our public TA fans club group, because it's a nice place to be, post memes and stuff like that. So we're gonna try to fill that up really nice. And for everybody else, guys, thank you for stopping by. We're gonna play Dodge Daddy one more time before we go. And I hope take care. If something happens big on Bitcoin, we're gonna do live stream or something like that, maybe, if I'm awake. And if I'm not, tomorrow morning, Bitcoin Daily. Guys, thanks for stopping by. Bye. Where is the outro? Now we're gonna play Dodge Daddy.
random rewards are so sweet. Honey's all that I can see. Blame nature, why don't you? I make no apology, I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire, I'm not weak or lazy. I'm like electricity, I'm the path of least resistance. Always lies the way for me, I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. Dancing Teslas and SpaceX, this techno king is on a roll. There is no shame in his game. He's having fun, he's in control. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. I see stars when I hear Dodge. Forget the moon, I'm off to Mars. Cash is trash, is confetti. So dollar bills can kiss my go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah.
Wealth earning 11,000 pounds of propellant per second. The main engines are working just as expected. The three fuel cells are generating power and three auxiliary power units are all producing pressure. In short, all systems continuing to function well.